So testing out the front facing camera of the Motorola Moto G9 Plus. This is a 16 megapixel sensor, video topping out at 1080p at 30 frames per second. So just going to go out for a quick walk and take some more video on this camera and on the main camera as well. See how it copes with the harsh sun, the audio pickup, and then I'll take some photos as well on the main sensor and may even do a few selfies. Don't like it. So let's go. A few of the specs: 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. G9 Plus comes with the Snapdragon 730G, which is the 8nm processor, and it does a really good job with day-to-day performance. Processing time of photos and videos is pretty quick. Occasionally there's a bit of a lag, but it's nothing that's, a deal breaker. So yeah, really nice specs for the price that you pay. This was £179 is what I paid. So yeah, can't complain there. Would I have liked a bit more RAM? Yeah, definitely. 6 gigs of RAM would have been nice, but can't complain. A quick sample of the 4K video coming off the main sensor. This is stabilized 4K video, which is really nice. So I'll also do a comparison with a couple of other phones as well. Okay, so this is 4K video from the Poco X3 Pro, and this is also stabilized video, which is really nice. So this and the Moto G9 Plus have stabilized 4K video for less than £200, which is really good. Okay, so this is 4K video coming from the Redmi Note 10. As you can clearly see, this is not stabilized 4K, which is unfortunate given that this phone is of a similar price to the other two. So that's where the Moto G9 Plus definitely has the edge on this particular phone. Okay, so my Moto G9 Plus video review. All in all, I'm impressed. 4K stabilized video is a really good addition. Unfortunately, there's no 4K on this front-facing camera, but to be honest, you can't really be complaining too much that there isn't it. So overall, I'm really impressed with it. Even now, obviously the Moto G10 and G30 series have released, but I would still pick this one over those because personally I think it's got a better processor. It's got a higher resolution 1080p display, whereas those are only 720p. and definitely a pick over the G9 Plus. That's got a 4000 milliamp battery. This is a 5000 milliamp battery, a much better processor again, and improved cameras. And speaking of that, if a G9 Plus versus a G9 Plus video is something that you'd like to see, let me know in the comments, and I'll see if I can make it happen. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.